Hi children, welcome to English grammar class again. In this video, we are going to learn an interesting phonic sound of C. Sometimes we confuse what is the pronunciation of a C actually when we use in a word. Actually, the letter C has two sounds, saw sound and caw sound. Here is the question, when we should pronounce C as a saw sound and C as a caw sound. Let's learn. You know that without vowel consonants can't be pronounced. So we use vowels to pronounce the consonants. And you know that there are 5 vowels as A, E, I, O and U. And one more vowel sound is there. That one is a half vowel sound. Which one? Y. If C is followed by E, I or Y, the pronunciation of C will be S. For example, cell, C-E-L-L, and C is followed by E. If C is followed by E or I or Y, the pronunciation of C will be S. Cell, like civil, C-I-V-I-L, C-I. Here is C is followed by I. The pronunciation of C will be S. Civil. Same as cyber, C-Y-B-E-R. Same thing, C is followed by here Y. So the pronunciation of C is cyber, cyber. Same as juice, J-U-I-C-E. And here C is followed by E. So the pronunciation of C will be sh, juice. Same as century, dice, pencil, ice, citizen, bicycle, cement, cylinder. Next, if C is followed by vowel A, O or U, the pronunciation of C will be caw sound. For example, cap, C-A-P, and here C is followed by A. So the pronunciation of C will be caw sound, cap. Like C-O-T, cot, and here is also C is followed by O. Another example, cup, C-U-P, and here is C is followed by U, the vowel U. So the pronunciation of C will be cup. Same as cube, carrot, car, cow, coconut, camel, curd, coin, case, coffee, like this. So you have to remember, if C is followed by A, O or U, the pronunciation of C will be caw sound, and if C is followed by the vowel E, I or Y, the pronunciation will be saw sound. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe me, and I will come with more videos like this in the next videos. Till then, bye.